Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick light bulb review. My wife and I, we have ceiling fans, a couple of different ceiling fans in our house that take candelabra base bulbs. And the problem that others might have, and the reason I'm doing the video, is that it's very hard to find the candelabra bulbs that are bright enough. The best ones that I have previously used is actually a Walmart brand. It is a 60 watt equivalent LED bulb, and I am talking about LED type of bulbs. And as you notice, these say they have a lumen rating of 800, and that's the best I've been able to find, and they're relatively inexpensive. A pack of two is like $8, but our fan only takes two bulbs, and that's not adequate enough. So I've been looking for a long time, and recently I found these online. These were actually at Walmart.com. I'll put a link in there. And these are LEDs, but these are what they call the Corn LED bulbs, which are supposed to be a lot brighter. These are actually supposed to be roughly 1500 lumens, so we'll have to see if that ends up being true. The hard thing is, in the corn bulbs, they are typically a lot bigger, but as you see, these are really roughly about the same size, so I think they will fit okay in our fans with the glass cover that goes over them and not hit. So that's what we'll see, and we'll judge the result. So I'm going to pause it now, and I'll show you a picture of the bulb. The reason I'm replacing these is because one of the bulbs in one of the fans now is blinking. It's about to go out. So I researched and found these, and we'll give them a shot. So I'll pause it right now. So here is the fan that I'm going to be replacing the bulbs in. Notice how one of them is about to go out. I'm taking this video so you can see the actual brightness. This is the Walmart bulbs that I just showed you in a new pack. And we'll replace the bulbs, and we'll see if indeed it gives us the brightness that we're looking for. Okay guys, here's the corn bulbs in place. It's probably not as easy to tell on this video, but they are brighter. The one difference is that the Walmart bulbs are the 2700K, the soft white, so they gave off more of a bit of a yellowish tone. These are the 6500K brightness, which is the one that's a hair more bluish, which I'm not a big fan of. I really prefer they be the 3500K, which is a more neutral white, but this is all they were offered in. But they do look brighter, and that was the goal, so I can deal with this to get more light out of this this single bulb candelabra holders, where it only holds two lights on the fan. So I'll be able to tell more tonight, but that's it. I'm going to take a picture of each one of those for anyone else who are looking for higher lumen bulbs for candelabra fans that they need replacements. One other thing I'll mention is the corn bulbs, which I read some reviews that indicated they had a shorter life than the traditional LEDs. These actually indicate that they're supposed to be up to 35,000 hours, whereas the Walmart brand is supposed to only be 15,000, and I was kind of disappointed that one went bad when it's only been in there a couple years and we don't use this light that much at all. But anyway, that's it. I'll take a couple snapshots and add them at the end of this video of each one of those types of lights. And hopefully that'll help anyone else out who is looking for a higher lumen candelabra bulb. Thank you.